Hey sisters, today with Pampers Pure, my sister and I will be sharing our pure gold story, which is that extra step mothers take for their babies, no matter what it may be. I've been using the collection on Maylee for quite a while now, and I love it. From the cute prints to the thoughtfully selected materials that's so soft against her skin. It's rewarding as a mother to be able to provide what I feel is best for my baby. For my pure goals, I like to make Maylee's baby food compared to buying the pre-made jars. Usually I have to set aside half a day to just focus on grocery shopping and meal prepping Maylee's food in bulk. I try my best to give her a variety, but her favorite is mango and carrots and also sweet potato and apples. I peel, chop, steam, and blend to create her purees. I use organic whole foods ingredients. This way I know exactly what my baby is eating without having to worry about the bad stuff some products may add. I'm not perfect, but I still buy snacks for her that are pre-made, but I make sure they are certified organic and non-GMO. It's just my way of hopefully setting a good foundation for Maylee's health and eating habits. It is one of many things I do for Maylee, but that's my pure gold story. To all the mothers out there, what's yours? Share below. And now, here's India.
Hey sisters, it's India, and I can't seem to keep my house clean because we make a mess every day in the name of learning, and sometimes we take that mess outdoors and sometimes we take it to other places so that I don't have to clean it up. But my pure goal is to make sure that Phoenix always has a pure passion for learning and that he knows that he should never stop learning because life doesn't stop teaching. And now that he's becoming a more independent toddler, it's pretty hard for me to kind of keep his attention. He just walks right on by me. But I will not compromise on his learning experiences. So I'm going to do whatever it takes to grab his attention. And just like my fellow Pure Tribe member, Sarah Giovanni, the mom behind the Pampers Pure line, she did not compromise, and it was her goal to create a diaper and wipe collection made from thoughtfully selected materials and premium cotton that's soft and gentle, and it protects against leaks. And I want the same for Phoenix, and I love that he's comfortable when he's playing, and I use the wipes to clean up some of the messes that we make. And it's also my goal to make sure I tailor Phoenix's learning experiences around the things that he's passionate about. Like, he loves things that go, so I make sure that I include those things in his learning experiences as much as possible. And he also loves going outside, so we do fun little do-it-yourself big bubble experiments, and we just enjoy the play because children learn best through play and having fun. And I just want to make sure that I'm there guiding him and keeping his learning experiences engaging and just letting him know that I'm always there for him. Even whenever he's afraid and he doesn't want to try new things, I'm right there, always right there to help him get through the experience. And as moms, we know that they'll eventually have to venture off and explore this great big world on their own. And as his first teacher, I have to make sure that he is ready for those real world experiences. But at the same time, I have to just take a step back and take it all in while he's this small. And that's so hard for us to do sometimes because we want to hold on. But eventually he's going to create those great big bubbles all on his own. So I just have to remember to live in the moment and to take a step back and admire the beauty of creating these environments and experiences in which learning happens. So that's my pure goals story, and I want to know all about yours, so feel free to share yours down below using #PureGoals.